Hey Space Cadets, welcome back to Watercolor Wednesday. Oh wait, it's not Watercolor Wednesday. Today's Sunday. I don't have a name for Sunday. Welcome back to...
I don't have a name for it yet.
Welcome back to my Galaxy tutorial. If you want to see all the products that I'm using for this video, then you can find that in the description box below. And I'm just going to be using this 4x4 flat canvas panel. They're really fun to experiment with, so let's get started. I'll be using 4 detail brushes and 4 medium-sized blending brushes, along with a star daughter. And to be honest, I probably won't even use all of these brushes. I'm starting with my Deep Red by Artist Law. I painted my canvas black, it's dried. So now I'll just put my red into my palette along with some water. I did this so that way I could dab into the water and get the consistency that I want. I'm just going to start by creating the outline of the spaghetti nebula. I'll continue to do this, let it dry, and go over it in layers and layers until it's as vibrant as I want. Using my Basics primary white, I'm going to add white to my red mixture, and I'm going to start adding the highlights that are in the astrophotography photo. Now I will add some water to my red, and I will paint over the entire nebula with the watered down red, covering all the white that I just added. I'll bring in my Basics Mars Black paint next. I'm adding my most prominent stars with my star daughter. And then I will water down some white using my detail brush, and I will splash it on by hitting it with another brush. Super easy. Also, I decided to come back in with some more white and red because I felt like it kind of faded in vibrancy when it dried, which is completely normal for acrylic. That's why I do multiple layers. So that's what I'm doing right here. Alright Space Cadets, that's it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button, and if you're interested in seeing more of my artwork, you can find my work at Lanchen Designs on Instagram or Etsy. All the links are below in the description box. Alright Space Cadets, I will see you next time.